Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The vivo iQOO 11S is a highly anticipated smartphone that promises an exceptional user experience. Boasting impressive specifications and a sleek design, this device aims to redefine the boundaries of performance and functionality. With a weight ranging between 207 gram and 210 gram and a slim 8.4 mm thickness, the vivo iQOO 11S strikes a balance between solid construction and ergonomic design. It offers a comfortable and premium feel in the hand, ensuring a satisfying user experience. The device's sleek and stylish appearance adds a touch of sophistication to its overall appeal. Featuring a spacious 6.78 inches display, the vivo iQOO 11S offers an immersive visual experience that brings content to life. With an impressive resolution of 1440 x 3200 pixels, this screen delivers stunning visuals, vibrant colors, and sharp details, making it an ideal companion for consuming multimedia, gaming, and browsing, running. On the latest Android 13 operating system, combined with the optimized Origin OS 3 interface, the vivo iQOO 11S provides a seamless and intuitive user experience. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, this smartphone delivers outstanding performance and responsiveness, ensuring smooth multitasking, gaming, and resource-intensive tasks. The vivo iQOO 11S offers multiple storage options to cater to diverse user needs. Choose from 256 GB, 512 GB, or an impressive 1 TB of internal storage, providing ample space to store your files, apps, and media. However, it's worth noting that there is no card slot for expandable storage. With 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, the device offers efficient multitasking and smooth app performance, even with demanding applications. Equipped with a powerful 50 MP primary camera, the vivo iQOO 11S captures breathtaking photos with exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you're taking pictures during the day or in low-light conditions, this smartphone aims to deliver impressive results. Additionally, the device supports stunning 4320p video recording, allowing you to capture and relive your precious moments in high resolution. With a robust 4700 mAh Lipo battery, the vivo iQOO 11S ensures long-lasting power to keep up with your daily activities. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or streaming content, this device offers reliable battery life, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. Additionally, the phone supports fast charging, enabling you to quickly replenish its battery when needed. The vivo iQOO 11S is a powerhouse that combines impressive specifications, stunning visuals, and a sleek design. Its ergonomic build, coupled with a large and vibrant display, makes it a joy to use. With ample storage options, generous RAM, and powerful camera capabilities, this smartphone caters to the needs of demanding users. If you're in search of a device that seamlessly blends performance and style, the vivo iQOO 11S is a worthy contender. That won't disappoint. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.